Hey vlog, this is me Harsh and this is the episode number 17th of JOM. Just completed just 5 minutes before just recorded the outro for episode number 16 because that vlog actually was extended up to 3 days. Had to finish it off and just start with a new episode, which is episode number 17. As I've discussed that we also I am also trying a different format on YouTube because I have to be I'm right now focusing on YouTube and on my blog also. Not really blog because my most of the time is like spending on recording and editing and just like post production thing which I do trying to do. And so today Sunday, it's like Sunday, it's like afternoon. I have said morning in the previous vlog, but it's actually Sunday afternoon. I already have ideas, so have to start with a new article also. And as I said that the new format will be a specific tutorial video also, because and yes, I will like cover all the things which I do, do I script or not, or yes, I do script only the heading part, because on this specific tutorial video this is the vlog, so I can speak whatever I want to, like how long I want to. But in that specific video I want to give, like if the user is giving me his 5 to 10 minutes, I have to give it like complete value, 150% of value which I have, so that it could help him. And so I use headings to be on that same topic, because when I speak sometimes I go out of the topic, beyond the topic. So I don't want to do that in this specific video. Yes, I will like show you some glimpse of that video also in this vlog. So my aim is to like put out more content on YouTube also, YouTube platform. Yes, because like yesterday I put out content, like the episode number 15. Today the 16th will be like uploaded before 12 p.m. and the episode number 17 will be like the day, not not the day before. Yes, the episode number 17 will be tomorrow, like it will be live tomorrow. So it's like it's feeling very good, because when I'm consistent with the content on whichever platform, it's like good. As our format was to like Q&A option, which is like I'm right now, there's something going on. I don't want to say you right now about that, but it will be like Q&A will not be quitting that. We'll also doing some Q&A in this vlog and a specific video which will be. And because when I like, if there's some people are coming up with the title or headline, like I usually whatever I do is, if I'm answering how to do this, how can you do this, so I'm using that same headline and same in the vlog thumbnail, so people have to watch the complete vlog to like just get so that value which I think is. So trying a different thing which is specific video also, so that if the user want to see my documenting thing, he can see that. If the user only want to see 5 to 10 minutes of that, he can watch in a separate video also. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's the next day and just finished scripting, which only took me 5 to 10 minutes to just think about what will I be speaking in the specific tutorial video, aka tutorial video, but just doing the separate, removing. You can just think of that I'm just removing that how to kind of video from the vlog, because I like the data showed me, like obviously I haven't done it for the years, but neither for the months, but the data which shows me like people are just just thinking about like they are just coming from title and thumbnail, but they are like seeing the vlog. So I think that they aren't liking that. So just giving it a try. Marketing is all about like trying new things. If this is working for me, it might not work for you, and what is right now working for you might not work for me. So everyone has like a own thing. Everyone has their own weakness and strengths. So just giving it a try. This also, like here's how I script my video. Like I will, as you saw that it isn't actually the script, is just the outline of a video, because sometimes I go beyond the topic. So right now just going to record that video. Will be using that on my podcast also. There's a lot of ideas coming in right now, because so like I'm trying to execute that all in a proper bucket thing, but I'm not able to, because ideas like sounds like easy to do this, like this way, but it is actually not as easy as it looks. Right now trying to be as like practicing all the things, executing on it, whether it's SEO, like social media thing, not at scale but trying to be at scale, just showing you the process of how I am doing it, and whether you are in, like whether you are getting value or not. But it's my job to just show you the process. Obviously everyone's life is boring, everyone vlog is boring, but like who are we to decide it? You are the one who decided, right? Like the audience decides whether it's like good or not. So just we'll be just right now recording that video. Hey vlog, just recorded some videos for reels. It was actually very hard for me to record a video only for reels, because you have to be like the specific time, you have to speak very fast and cover all whatever you want to say into only some time, because your video maybe get cut off. So like it was, I took around 3 to 4 takes for that 3 to 4 Instagram reels, executing it hard on Instagram, because seeing that it is right now booming like organic reach. I know that it is not, the organic reach on Instagram reel is not as potential or as good as on LinkedIn, because if you're like putting out content about marketing, LinkedIn will try to show that content to the person who is right now into marketing or interested into marketing. But on Instagram reel, you posting about content about business, and there may be a 6-year-old kid who is watching your business content. Every social media platform has their own thing, and that's why they are different from each other. Right now each and every brand or business are trying to get online. They're hiring content creators, or someone is like doing personal branding, just putting out content, trying to put out content, make their own audience. But have you ever thought that right now, like as everyone says that you have to be on podcast also, you also have to do article thing, you also want to publish YouTube show, your YouTube vlog, or your specific YouTube videos, and Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. But how could you just manage your content ideas? Or in this video we are not going to talk about how to get content ideas, but in this video I'll be sharing my experience on how you can manage your content ideas. Whether if you are like working for a brand or your own self, it will be really helpful, because if you are watching this video, you will be creating content whether for yourself or someone, or you might be thinking of creating a content. So here's how it is. As I said that there's a lot of people facing difficulties with like managing their content ideas. Like you can say that it is a form of editorial calendar. It is actually editorial calendar, but it's not with the dates. So that's the only difference. It is what actually I have used, and right now I'm not using it because I'm right now trying some new different strategies also. Let's talk about the benefits first. When you have that like your content ideas managed in a proper form, some people don't feel overwhelmed, because they know that, oh, today I have to post on Instagram, I have to publish a YouTube video, I have to do this, that. So there's a lot of things. It completely depends. Everyone has their own strategy, everyone has their own way to work. So this may help you and this may not help you. So if you want to watch this, you can watch. If you want to leave, you can leave it right now. So here's what I did. First, like as you know that there's a two way to like manage your content ideas or like calendar stuff, which is like first is Google, Excel, Microsoft Excel. I've worked on that. And the second, which I like the most, is Trello. It's a free tool. You can create around 15 boards for free on Trello. Like when you could easily use a pre-made templates also, like editorial calendar and that all stuff, but that didn't work for me. It may work for you and it may not work for you. So just like create a board, right? If you are comfortable with like writing the video content ideas, article content ideas, or like image or whatever, like sometimes you get an idea about, oh, I can make content with this cup, oh, I can like edit, like you get it, right? There's a lot of creative ideas coming. So right now what I do is I just pull up my sticky notes and I write it. What you can do is you can create a separate cards on it, like a video content, audio content and that. And I also want you to create a second board, which is like you can use a specific platform type content, like a platform type cards, which is for YouTube. You could add a lot of ideas which you want to do, and also under that you can like put your due date or want to add some notes, you can also do that. And on articles, there's the same thing which you could do. Like if you want your team members to also manage it, they also has an option to that. So it's a really very good tool which you could use it. This is not a promotion video, neither I've get paid to promote this. I'm right now promoting this because it is actually very helpful, and I'm sure this will help you a lot if you are facing issue with managing your content. Even if you have a working with a team by 5 to 10 members, this may also help you. So check out that. And once you that also is not working you, there's another template which I like. You can say that it is a template of Trello only, which I learned from a well-known marketer known as Brad. What he do is like he write down the articles, which is like not articles, the ideas. What I have to do, like I have to work on my email campaign. It is more of a to-do type, but this may also help you. Like right now I have to do this, like to do, ongoing, done, and posted. You can also do this. So everyone, like there's a lot of different million ways to do that, but what actually matters is what is helping you and with what you are comfortable with. So a lot of people also, like I also want to add a quick note about it. A lot of people also use like I don't have an editorial calendar, I'm not able to manage my content. This is the excuse of not putting out content. If you want to just put out the content, just flip your phone and just record and just upload. Hope you guys got some value from this content, and it will really mean a lot to me if you just feel free to comment on your honest opinion, reviews or feedback, whatever you want to call it. Thank you for watching.